Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Child of the 80s. This is a PANtastic Ladies collab, and it was created by Jaylon. She's going to be linked down below. There's also going to be a spreadsheet of everyone else that has joined into this project. I'm so glad to have this back again this year. I am approaching it slightly different this year than I normally do. I believe last time I brought in all of the prompts. I think I did. I tend to do crazy things like that. I can't do that this year. It's too much overwhelm. So I have decided that each update I'm going to bring in 10, like the next 10 prompts, and that is what I'm going to do. I'm doing like very easy goals on these things. I don't think I will finish every single one each update, but if I can finish the majority of the goals, then I will be very happy, especially since I will be rolling in 10 new ones, whether I finish those or not. So started on January 1st, we'll go till December 31st. I think I've covered everything. If I missed it, hopefully I'll have it down in the description box. Anyone that wants to join into this absolutely can. The prompts, like I said, they're in the Facebook group, but if you're not in the Facebook group, if you have some of your favorite people that do this project, you can get the prompts through them and just kind of pick them randomly however you want. Like I said, I'm doing 10 at a time, so every single update I will bring in 10 more, so you can always choose those as well. So let's get into the first 10, and I did not finish them all. I knew I wasn't going to, but some of them I didn't use at all, which is kind of crazy. So let's get into the ones that I did actually finish. The first one is the Rubik's Cube, and that is something colorful. I brought in the ColourPop 2 Hope palette. I just did this no pan left behind style, which is pretty easy for a quint. And yeah, I touched every single one of these once, used them on my eyes, and that one is going to be rolling out. I did enjoy that one quite a bit. Next up was 16 Candles, and that is a product that makes all your wishes come true. I don't know if it makes all my wishes come true, but as far as like how my skin looks, definitely does. This was the Coastal Scents Rice Powder. I brought this in just to use it 25 times. I definitely did that. And I actually had to pull extra out because there wasn't 25 uses in what I had in here. So yeah, I definitely got 25 uses and then some on that one. Where's the Beef? I still remember those commercials, and that is a brown or a neutral colored product. So I brought in the Essence I Heart Stage Eye Primer. I got more than 25 uses, which is what my goal was. So yeah, that one is going to be rolling out. That was super easy. Next prompt is Candyland, and that is an item that is candy themed. So I brought in Gimme Sugar from ColourPop. It is just a quad, and it's got like gummy worms or gummy bears or something like that. It's all like candy themed, and I just did this no pan left behind style. That was super easy. That happened really quick, and I actually enjoyed it because that was the first time I ever used this quad. For Tracksuit, that calls for something soft or that makes you feel comfortable. Definitely makes my skin feel soft and comfortable. This is the Go-To Skin Party, and it is just like a body moisturizer. I enjoyed it. I only brought it in for 5 uses. I got that so quick, and I probably used it more than that because dry winter air, it's kind of nasty, and that makes your skin feel nice. And the last one that is rolling out is for lace, and that is something sheer. So I brought in the Buxom Powerful Lip Plump Balm Extreme just for 5 uses. It is basically a tinted lip balm. Love this. I actually can't wait to put this in a project to finish, though right now I'm working on other lip balms, so that's not going to happen right now, but it was really lovely. I'm glad that I got a chance to use that one. So I am rolling 6 of 10 out this update. I'm very happy about that. And the other 4 items that I had in, the prompts, products, everything, didn't touch them at all, which is kind of crazy. 6 done and 4 never touched. We're going to go over them. First one is I'm So Sure, and that is a ridiculous product or packaging, performance, the claims that it makes, whatever. It's the packaging. It is definitely the packaging. I mean, it's cute, but it is kind of ridiculous to try to store this thing. It is the Glam Light Pizza Palette, and I did pick one shade in here that I wanted to use 5 times, and I just didn't do it. I need to put it in a makeup basket, and it never got there. So it's this yellow shade here in Pineapple, and yeah, didn't touch it. Didn't touch it at all. Next is Eye of the Tiger by Survivor, and that is an eye product. It can be an eyeshadow, mascara, liner, anything that you use on your eyes. And I brought in the City Color Eye Mousse in white gold. I didn't touch it. It's beautiful. I love it. I just didn't touch it. It didn't get in a makeup basket, and therefore I didn't touch it. Let's Get Physical by Olivia Newton-John. I remember doing aerobics to this song, and that is an item that makes you feel sexy, or it's sex themed. And I went with the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons Satin Sheets. It is not like super in your face sex themed, but we all know. And I was supposed to be using this 5 times, and I remember even putting this in a makeup basket. And according to my tally, I didn't use it. I feel like I used it a couple of times, but I didn't tally it, so it doesn't count. So yeah, I still need my 5 uses on this. And last but certainly not least, Totally Tubular. Can you believe that we used to say that back in the day? What was wrong with us? That calls for a product in a tube. It's a squeezy tube. And this is the Sally Hansen Cuticle Remover. I just wanted to use it 5 times. Have I done that? No. No, I haven't even used it once. My nails are looking ratchet right now. Still recovering. Like, I'm mostly recovered now, but like my life is recovering from having the stomach bug. And yeah, it's like my nails are the least of my worries right now. Just trying to catch up on all the stuff. Cleaning my house and everything else. Disinfecting everything. So, yep. I just have not spent that time on my nails. And it shows. But what you gonna do? So that is what's rolling out. That is what is staying in. So I need to bring in the next 10 prompts, and I'm bringing them in order. So I had 1 through 10. Now I'm doing 11 through 20. So let me scoot this stuff off to the side and I will grab the new stuff. Okay, first up is going to be for Breakfast Club, and that is a product that covers or conceals, because this is my old standby. I absolutely love it for when this type of a prompt comes up. It is the NYX Color Corrector in lavender. I love it. I love it so much. So I just want to get 5 uses on this. That's not going to be a problem at all. Next up is Goonies, and that is an item that was hard or an adventure to find. For me, it was my adventure into ColourPop. This is the very first Super Shock shadow that I ever owned. It is the color Ringlet. That's what she looks like. She got a little bit of glitter in her, and she needs to be revived. Something fierce. Normally I would swatch it for you, but it's not even swatching very pretty right now. So yeah, I need to revive that on a Franken Friday. So be on the lookout for that one coming up very soon. But I just want to get 5 uses on that once I revive it. The next prompt is Neon, and that prompt says something neon. Duh. Oh my god, I laughed so hard when I saw that. So I am bringing in something neon. Duh. And this is the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Bright Neon Pink. And she's pink. I'm hoping she will play nice with Ringlet. That would be really cool if they would work well together. So that is what Bright Neon Pink looks like. Next prompt is ET, and that is a unique product. I personally don't think most products are very unique, so I went with something that had unique packaging. Isn't that adorable? This is from Revolution. Obviously, it's Minnie Mouse here on the front, and this is just a duo blush and highlighter, and I want to use this 5 times. Living on a Prayer, that was Bon Jovi, if you didn't know already, and that is a product that is almost done or close to being decluttered. So because I love my rice powder so much, I have some more in this little packaging here, and my goal is just going to be to finish it. It's not a ton in there. It's going to take me probably the next month to get it done, but I do think I can get it done without any problems. Next up is What's Love Got to Do with It, and that is a product that you find average. It's just a boring average eyeliner. It is NYC in the navy. I don't think they even make NYC anymore, but it's a ho-hum kind of blue. It's very firm. It's just average. So I am bringing this one in for 5 uses. Next prompt is Star Wars, and that calls for something glittery. So I'm bringing in glitter. This is the ColourPop glitter. I'm not sure what they officially call these. It's not pressed glitter. It's definitely some kind of glitter. It's in like this gel stuff. That's what she looks like. And this is in the shade Love Language. I'm going to swatch it for you. It's pretty, but it's not something I'm going to use on a very regular basis. So that's why I'm only putting this one in for 3 uses. Hopefully you can see that glitter up there. Greta's doing her Greta thing back there. Moving on to Indiana Jones, and that is a product from an indie brand. Of course, I just put all of my Looksy shadows into a project. She just wants to be seen. That's what it is. She's a show stealer. So yeah, I had to really search, and I came up with Vanny Cosmetics. This is just a pressed glitter. I don't even remember what the name is on it. I will have to look it up, but I just want to get 3 uses on this one as well. The glitters, I tend to use them on my nails, or like this one I will use on my nails. This one I will use on my body because I'm not putting that on my eyes. No, I don't want big chunks of glitter in my eyes. Those days have passed. Not going to happen anymore. All right, moving on to Nintendo, and that is something that's fun or addictive to play with. For me, it's going to be either nail polish or eyeshadow, especially the more colorful stuff. So I decided to go with eyeshadow this time. This is BH Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles. This has got so many fun colors, and I enjoy playing with it. Of course, there is one missing up here because I finished that one. I just want to do this one no pan left behind style, and there's so many colors that I can play with on this one that I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So that is what the goal is for that one. And then the very last one is Ferris Bueller's Day Off, and that is a product that's wild or outside of your comfort zone, which we know there's 2 things that are very outside of my comfort zone: red lips and blue eyeshadow. So I'm going with red lips because, yeah, I got so many other eyeshadows that I'm working on. And there's a blue in here. So, yeah, there's a blue down there. I don't want to push it too much. So, red lips it is. This is Infrared by Buxom, and I just want to get 5 uses on this. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. I have got 14 things that I am working on. Hopefully I can get some of these goal met by the next update so that I don't have to roll over too many more. That is the primary goal, to have fun but not make it so hard that I can't like constantly be rolling stuff in and out. So that is everything for this update. Again, if you want to join in, by all means, please do. Definitely go check out Jaylon. She is linked down below, and there is a spreadsheet of everyone else that has joined in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.